Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about handler.getPrototypeOf. So it's a method which will, create a trap for get prototype of, you know, of that function. So what we're gonna do is create a const called monster1 equals, and inside that what we're gonna put is I count, and inside that we're gonna put 4. Now we're gonna create another const name as monster prototype, and it is also an object. It also have a I count property. Yeah, and this time we're gonna input is 2, and yeah, that's it. Now what we're gonna do is create a const handler equals an object get prototype of, and target return monster prototype. And after we create an proxy, use a new operator, and that what we're gonna do to look at it, what we're gonna do is log it on a console, use the object constructor. It has get prototype of, that method, and what we're gonna do is use the proxy1 dot, and now the equals monster prototype. When we do that, it gonna returns in boolean. In this case it's true because it is, look at that, true. And if you want to access its value, so what we're gonna do is I count, then we're gonna get 2, this one. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.